So today on what not to do in paint correction. One of the main things you don't want to do while working is lift that machine up while it's full speed ahead. You don't want to have to worry about the pad launching off of the machine. You don't want to have to worry about the backing plate coming back down and bumping the paint, tearing up the paint. I've seen it happen before, and you have to really make sure that that machine stops spinning before you lift it off the vehicle. A lot of guys think they can just jump right in with the speed on high, fire it up, and then come off the paint with it on high and then take the finger off the trigger once it's off the paint, and that can cause catastrophic failure all around while you're working. So I've seen pads launch 50 feet in the air and shoot all across garages, etc. So you really got to make sure you keep that machine on the vehicle, keep it on the surface so that there's contact between the pad and the panel, so that you basically are keeping pressure on both sides of that pad while it's spinning. So you're gonna have pressure behind it and in front of it from the panel, and then the machine behind it. So this is it for today, guys. We'll see you next week on what not to do in paint correction. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. Hey, if you enjoyed that content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button for all the Pro Polisher Academy videos when they pop up. And we've created a merch line for you guys, the Modern Pro & Co lineup, and today I'm wearing the Breeders of Ingenuity shirt. And necessity breeds ingenuity. And in this industry, I've had to come up with a lot of my own inventions just to get to where I'm at today. So we also spell ingenuity with an E as opposed to an I, just as an ode to the automotive industry and the love of motors, engines, etc. So go check out the merch line, links in the description. We'll see you guys later. Peace.